Industrial engineering, i.e., in apparel industry. The idea of industrial engineering is to plan, design, install, and adapt to an integrated system of men, machine, and materials for the purpose of maximizing operational efficiency. Industrial engineering, i.e., in apparel industry. Every garment factory around the world has a department that is well known as the Industrial Engineering Department, which is the IE department. Increase productivity, reduce wastage, ensure best use of scarce resources, increase productivity. The main factor of increasing productivity is to generate more output with the use of minimum input. Reduce wastage. Garments wastage can generate in different processes. Ensure best use of rare resources. The industrial engineer takes an effective production plan so that the optimal use of rare resources can be ensured. The dimension of industrial engineering, i.e., in apparel industry. Method. Study. Work. Measurement. Method study in apparel industry. After that, the most effective method is adapted. The method study is applicable to all the existing and proposed methods. Steps of doing method study in apparel industry. Develop new method. Based on the analysis, a new method of doing the work is developed so that an effective way of doing the work can be adapted. Work measurement in apparel industry. Time study is one of the popular tools of work measurement. Time study in apparel industry. The time study is a work measurement technique for recording the time of performing an individual for a set of conditions. In this time study method, the IE department works for calculating the standard minute value, SMV, for each and every product. SMV is shown as a minute for each garment.